the rolling container system from LoadHog. Increase vehicle fill to reduce the number of trips, and increase speed to reduce unnecessary labour across picking, transport and last mile delivery with the rolling container system. Combining the Dollymax 86, attached lid container and half Euro pallet lid creates a ready-to-use solution for efficient retail distribution. With its high ground clearance, the Dollymax 86 enables maneuverability and large wheels that ensure low rolling resistance. Its easy access one-touch brake mechanism also ensures health and safety protocols are met without compromising speed. Security and modularity are at the heart of the ALC Apollo range. Its secure, concealed hinge pin adds an additional layer of security, while the collar design remains practical, allowing it to work with modern automation systems. LoadHog's most secure, versatile and cost-effective method for load containment, the half Euro pallet lid, unlike traditional solutions, eliminates the need for banding or stretch wrap, reducing plastic waste and supporting sustainable supply chains. Ready for solutions that move retail forward? Switch to the rolling container system for smarter, more efficient retail distribution. Visit our website today to request a trial.